Hi, my name is Lydia. I'm happy to assist students with English. I offer systematic language support to students so they improve their speaking and writing skills. I can promise you the best quality of service in being fully trained at Sydney University. Among other positions, I've worked in Athens, teaching English, preparing senior students for the Lower and Proficiency UK-based exams. Until that time, I was employed at the Sydney International Grammar School. I have also been appointed in both public and private schools. I have since been working mostly online these past several years. I maintain excellent communication skills with students around the globe. English is my primary language in being a native speaker with impressive knowledge and skills in others, including Greek. I'm proficient in this tongue along with intermediate French. I do as well have a level of understanding of Serbian and basic German and managing some communication in Italian. I'm very resourceful at comprehending students who have minimal knowledge of the languages I speak, in having solid practical experience and confidence in this area. The learning process occurs fairly easily at a pace that's comfortable for the student. I look forward to hearing from you students, hoping to have instruction with me. I also wish each of you the best of luck with your English.